Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to the World Electrolysis North America pre-event interview. We're here with Joshua Young, Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Virginia Transformer Corporation. Hi, Joshua.
Hi, nice to meet you through Zoom.
Given the challenge, the complexities around the size of the transformers, the technical expertise required to develop them specifically for electrolysis, the aging of transformers, where does Virginia Transformer Corporation fit in there? What solutions can you offer to help ease the burden on the market?
There are many electrical equipment that goes into hydrogen plant. Every single one of these pieces are very important. But at the same time, what we often do is we take it for granted on power. We every day, come home, turn the switch on. We just assume power is going to be available, and it's going to be stable, and then it's going to be reliable. All the power that's flowing through that new plant must go through a number of transformers. Transformers usually don't fail because as long as you design properly and then per the specification, it's not being misused. But at the same time, transformers do fail time to time for various reasons. Think about the implication. Large power transformer feeding a new plant, and one reason or the other, that transformer had a failure. What happened is just lost power to the entire plant. Okay, so now the question is, do you wait 2 years for a replacement unit? Inside the plant, obviously you have smaller medium voltage transformer throughout the plant, and a 1 or 2 for each of these electrolyzers. Okay, so if one of those fails, it's not as detrimental because you have others that are still operational. But again, you just lost huge revenue. So what it boils down to is transformers are not all the same. Transformer has to be reliable. So reliability must start with robust design. Robust design could only come from experience, how long you've been building those complex, customized design. So what we bring to the table here is, and we've been in business for 5 decades, and then we've been building this complex rectifier duty transformer and this power transformer, generator step-up, auto transformer. Where is this type of transformer that's needed for hydrogen industry for many years? We have the expertise or technical prowess to ensure that designs are robust. And at the same time, we have been improving our operation excellence over the years so that we know how to build transformer. Again, 8 to 10% of all transformer right now in U.S. electrical infrastructure grid is ours, and they've been operation for the last 50 years. Okay, so from a record perspective, from operation production perspective, we build robust, reliable transformers. Another thing that is very important, because they're so unique, you need to be able to have after-sale service. So warranty. If you buy from overseas, something happens, then what do? Do you wait for 12 hours until they wake up? Even if they fly people in, they don't have the equipment. So they're in a mercy of available contractor in the US. But the contractors are not the expert. We have one of the largest field service crew and team here in North America. And we can deploy pretty much our team within maybe 24-hour, worst case scenario, 48 hours to site with our equipment. And then because of our crew are originally from the factory building transformers, so they're the expert. Also logistics, shipping transformer. We don't really, again, think too much of it. How hard could it be to ship a transformer? You'd be surprised. Shipping a 150 MVA transformer requires tremendous amount of coordination. It travels on a truck. Usually it takes about a week, dedicated team, to come up with routing, just to figure out which route this truck can go without hitting a bridge. Bridge has a height restriction and weight. So all that needs to be taken care of. And depending on the size, these are wide loads. So sometimes we cannot travel during the day, so they require police escort. So it may go through 50 different police jurisdictions before we go from plant to the final destination. So our team is dedicated to handle, and then we also ship it. It's large enough, we ship it through railroad. That's how big the transformer gets. You want to partner with somebody who's been in North America, serving U.S. and Canada market for many years with experience, proven record of not only the technology, technical expertise, but also operational, also the customer service, and the field service and logistics. Probably the biggest strength that we bring to the table here is we have the shortest lead time in the industry at this point. Okay, and I'm proud to say that, being confident that compared to any and all competitors, supplier, both domestically as well as overseas, we offer the shortest lead time. Okay, so well, how we could do that? Because we have the largest capacity, and also we have adequate labor force to produce transformer at various different locations, and then we have the technical expertise. Okay, 30,000 what we consider reference design, done design that we have built, commissioned, and operation to pick from. Okay, also because we're quite not 100% out of the wood on supply chain issues, so we are also maintaining currently $20 million worth of long lead critical item in our inventory, and then they kind of stashed away, stored at various different locations. But again, combination of all of this is allowing us to offer the shortest lead time for transformer, very sized transformer in our industry.